I'm here in Altanita, California at the front lines of the Eaton Fire, which has already burned thousands of homes just north of LA. Firefighters are here doing what's called fuel removal, cutting brush, trees, or anything else that could provide fuel to the fire. Doing this is just one of the ways they're trying to stop the fire spread. Just over in the canyon next to me, whole neighborhoods have been destroyed, row after row of homes burned to the ground. Many residents in the impacted areas have not been able to return to find out if their homes survived. Many will be holding their breath through Monday and Tuesday as high winds are expected to come back through the region.
Because you're bouncing up and down.
Social now, that should be pretty good. Need to read over a couple of things, but should be able to start on proper stand-up soon.